Hello my friends, I'm Kathleen Hansen and this is my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. I'm glad you're here. Today's video is a special session for newer singers or for those who just want to get back to basics. Singing is a skill that can be improved with practice. So sing along with me and be kind to yourself. Let's start now with a moment of attention on breathing and alignment. We want to feel balanced and supported and make sure we aren't carrying any tension that we don't need. Take a couple of low, gentle, natural breaths. We want our waistline to expand gently on the inhale, and then relax it on the exhale. Breathe in one more time. This time, sigh down gently. Notice what that feels like, and consider singing with a sensation that feels a little bit more like sighing. I always like to begin with gentle and limited range exercises to get things going. As we work today, feel free to switch octaves as you need to, and all of the exercises are listed down below. We'll start on a gentle and easy coo sound, not too fast, like coo. Here we go. Coo. On a v sound now, let's try. Think of moving through this smoothly with constant air. Here we go. Exercise, you can either sing on a gentle hum, or on a zh sound, whichever feels easier for you today. I'm going to choose a zh. We'll sing this pattern. Here we go. Keep it easy. Nicely done. When we're warming up and training our voices, we like to do a lot of different patterns of notes, up and down, and then we will often get a little bit fancier or more challenging as we go. So now we're going to move both up and down on 5 notes as we sing on the sounds lu, li, lu. Try to stay relaxed and make sure that the mouth and tongue aren't introducing extra tension. We'll sing this pattern. Lu, li, lu, li, lu, li, lu, li, lu. Lu, li, lu, li, lu, li, lu, li, lu. And let's sigh down gently. As we work, it's important to sing through different vowel and consonant sounds. We're now going to sing on the sounds zooey, ooey, ooey, like zooey, ooey, 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 ooey. As we sing this pattern, we don't need to add too much movement to the lips, as we want to avoid adding excess tension. We also don't want to be frozen, so there's just nice, gentle, natural movement. Again, that's zooey, ooey, 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 ooey. Here we go. Zooey, ooey, 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 ooey. 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 Zooey, well done. I'd like to take a moment to tell you about my mobile app that I've published to help singers just like you build your voice with vocal warm-ups and vocal exercises. It's commercial free, it's full of specially curated vocal warm-up and exercise lists for every need. It's super easy to use, it's affordable, and you can save your favorites. It's called Vocal Warmups with Kathleen. That's me. Check that out in the links below or in the Google Play or App Stores. Allowing the voice to be flexible and agile is important. We also want to feel like we can experiment and play. We're not looking for a performance-ready sound all the time, just making movement and flexibility and experimenting with the voice. So right now we're going to do some freeform sirens and glides. You can follow me or go on your own. Ooh. We want to build a good combination of strength and relaxation into the voice. This next exercise helps stabilize the voice. We're going to sing on the sounds mum, mum, mum. The pattern is mum, 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 mum. 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 Mum, mum, Excellent work. Again, let's sigh down gently. The reason we do this is to allow a very natural and relaxed feeling and to create a space where singing does feel more like sighing. We're going to go ahead and move to the word sigh, but there's a lot of awe in that sound. Not a bright sigh, but just sigh. Sigh. Give it a try. Sigh. Let's do one final exercise that moves around a little bit more. This develops flexibility and agility. We're going to take our time and sing the words money, money, mo on the following pattern. Money, 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 mo. 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 Great job today. Thank you as always for joining me. I hope you'll check out my app in those links below. It's called Vocal Warmups with Kathleen, and it's in the App and Google Play stores. Do hit that like button if you liked this, and I hope your voice is feeling great, warmed up, and ready to go. Let's do it again soon.